Let's talk about feelings through art. What are feelings? They're the real thoughts and emotions that bubble up inside us. How can we show our feelings in a picture? By drawing, coloring, and painting them. Our hearts can speak through art. Feelings time. Today's the big day. I get to eat cake. I'm so happy. I'm bouncing with excitement. Wait, what kind of cake is it? What if there's no cake? Will I be sad? I feel a bit nervous, but still excited. Oh no, what just happened? That didn't feel nice. You didn't have to say it like that. I would have laughed about it yesterday, but today it stings a little. Did I do something wrong? Why do I feel weird? Now, I don't feel like eating or doing anything. My chest feels heavy, like it's thumping sadly. Tears are coming out. What? It's already over? That was fast. Time flies. Sometimes I just don't get it. I feel a bit lost. My mind keeps spinning. It's foggy, like walking in a cloud. Why am I trying so hard, but still hearing mean things? That kid over there got a big, well done. Everyone's smiling, except me. I know it's not nice, but I wished she'd feel sad too. It's so hot, I can't sleep. Tossing, turning. Why do I feel this way? That's not who I want to be. Do I even deserve yummy food? Or happy laughs? Now I feel sleepy, eyes drooping. But oh, this spot is warm and cozy. I just want to snooze. That scary story won't leave my mind. I can't stop thinking about it. The hallway's dark, the mirror looks creepy. But I need to be brave. I need to protect this little one. So many feelings, right? And guess what? You can draw every single one. Put your feelings into a picture and add colors.
Let's create art that shows how we feel. Start by drawing a shape. What feeling does it look? What color shows that feeling best? I wonder how I look when I draw this feeling. Do any of you feel the same way? Let's check out today's plan. We're going to draw all sorts of feelings in our sketchbox. Grab your tools, colored pens, crayons, paints, whatever you like. First up, happy feelings. Use colored pens to show joy. What color feels fun? Warm like the sun? Cool like a breeze? What shape is happiness? Round and squishy? Bouncy and bright? Isn't this fun? The teacher says with a big smile. Let's swirl our feelings into color and lines. Next, crayons. Time to draw a sad feeling. What kind of line shows sadness? Maybe soft, quiet scribbles? Maybe gentle strokes, led and rubbed with your fingers? Then, we'll paint our feelings. Meet the magic of the stroke. A stroke is a line that changes with how you move your brush. Push hard or light, fast or slow. Try zigzags when you are feeling wild. Circles when you are feeling calm. Lines that go up and down, big, bold, or teeny tiny. Mix and match your tools to show exactly how you feel. Now, take a look at your art. What does it show? What were you feeling when you made it? There's no right or wrong, everyone sees things differently. Talk about your picture with family or friends. It's fun to share. Thanks for being awesome and creating with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical art fun.